Welcome to the Budget Car Guide, where we dissect automotive legends and the machines poised to create new ones. Today we are analyzing a resurrection, the return of an icon that defined American performance with a cocktail of raw intimidation and unapologetic mechanical theater. The whispers are over. The legend is reborn. We are delving into the fully unveiled, technologically reforged 2026 Dodge Viper GTS. This is not a nostalgic homage or a gentle evolution. This is a declaration of war on the modern supercar establishment, a statement that in an era of hybrid complexity and electric silence, the ethos of visceral internal combustion dominance can not only survive, but ascend to new, unprecedented heights. The name Viper conjures a specific, almost mythical image, a long, low, and brutally wide silhouette, a thunderous, large displacement V10, a cabin stripped to the essentials, and a driving experience that demanded respect and skill. It was America's unrefined answer to European exotica, a car of pure ID. For 2026, Dodge has not merely revived this legend, they have subjected its entire DNA to a process of hyper-engineering, blending its foundational, terrifying character with a level of technological sophistication and aerodynamic science previously absent. The result is a machine that honors its past by systematically eliminating its predecessor's weaknesses while exponentially amplifying its strengths. This analysis will deconstruct the 2026 Viper GTS across three core pillars: its exterior design and aerodynamic reformation, its interior, the driver's mission control, and its powertrain and chassis, the physics of controlled fury. Chapter 1. Exterior Design, the Aesthetics of Calculated Aggression. The 2026 Viper GTS presents a form that is immediately, unmistakably Viper, yet every surface has been recalibrated through the lens of computational fluid dynamics and modern material science. The design philosophy is aeromuscular. Every swell, intake, and vent serves the dual purpose of visual intimidation and functional performance, creating a shape that appears to be in motion even at a standstill. The front fascia is a study in focused aggression. It is dominated by a wide hexagonal grille aperture that is entirely functional, feeding a massive intercooler and radiators for the supercharged heart behind it. Flanking these are sharp, slit-like LED matrix headlights, their complex internal optics providing a predatory glare. The front hood is a sculpted carbon fiber masterpiece, featuring deep vented channels that actively evacuate high-pressure air from the engine bay, reducing front-end lift at speed and contributing to overall aerodynamic balance. Prominent front splitter elements, crafted from exposed carbon fiber, extend from the lower valence, managing airflow under the car and generating critical downforce from the outset. The vehicle's profile is the essence of its iconic identity, now refined to a razor's edge. The signature long hood and dramatically cab rearward stance remain, but the execution is more taut and technical. The front fenders are swollen arches that house ultra-lightweight center-locking forged alloy wheels wrapped in bespoke, track-focused rubber. Behind these, dramatic side skirts integrate aerodynamic channels that smooth turbulent airflow along the rockers and direct it toward the rear diffuser. The doors themselves feature subtle contouring, and the roofline sweeps back in a fastback curve that seamlessly integrates into the rear haunches, a shape honed in wind tunnels to minimize drag and maximize high-speed stability. The greenhouse is compact, with steeply raked A-pillars and minimal overhangs, emphasizing the car's purposeful mechanical packaging. The rear elevation is where the GTS's track-ready intent becomes unequivocal. A prominent active rear wing crowns the deck lid, automatically adjusting its angle of attack based on speed and driving mode to optimize downforce. Beneath it, the rear fascia is dominated by a vast multi-element diffuser, also in exposed carbon fiber, which works in concert with the underbody airflow management to suck the car onto the tarmac. Quad exhaust outlets finished in titanium exit centrally, promising a sonorous output. The tail lamps are slender, full-width LED units that wrap into the rear fenders, providing a modern, technical signature. The overall rear view communicates immense width, stability, and a singular focus on translating explosive power into forward motion. This is a design that has evolved from brutish to brilliantly calculated, losing none of its menace while gaining a doctorate in aerodynamic efficiency. Chapter 2: Interior Architecture, the Performance-Oriented Cocoon. Opening the dihedral door, a potential new feature signaling its hypercar aspirations, reveals a cabin that represents a fundamental shift in Viper philosophy. Gone is the Spartan, industrial feel of old. In its place is a driver-centric technological cocoon that blends race-bred minimalism with premium functional luxury. The interior is conceived as a pilot's interface, where every control, screen, and surface exists to serve the mission of driving. The cockpit is enveloping. The deeply contoured seats are constructed from a carbon fiber shell, clad in a combination of supple Nappa leather and grippy Alcantara, with extensive heating, cooling, and pneumatic bolstering adjustment. They position the driver low and central, creating a symbiotic connection with the car. The steering wheel is a flat-bottomed, Alcantara-wrapped unit, devoid of frivolous buttons, but integrating essential backlit controls for drive modes, suspension settings, and audio. Behind it sits a configurable, high-resolution digital instrument cluster. This display can shift from a simple, classic twin-dial layout for road use to a complex telemetry suite for the track, displaying lateral G-forces, lap times, individual tire temperatures and pressures, power distribution, and even a graphic of the active aero elements at work. The center console is dominated by a sleek, upright touchscreen running Dodge's latest performance software. It manages navigation, media, and vehicle systems, but is designed with a minimalist interface to prevent distraction. Critical physical controls persist, a bank of toggle switches for stability control, exhaust mode, and suspension stiffness, and the definitive pistol grip gear selector for the transmission. The material palette is a testament to performance-oriented luxury. Exposed carbon fiber on the dashboard and door cells, brushed aluminum for pedals and accents, and that ubiquitous Alcantara on the headliner and upper surfaces to reduce glare. Storage is minimal but purposeful. This is an interior that celebrates the act of driving, providing unparalleled engagement and feedback without sacrificing the comfort or technology expected in a modern six-figure performance machine.
Chapter 3: Powertrain and Chassis, the Heart of the Hyper Viper. This is the realm where legend meets a new reality. The 2026 Viper GTS is propelled by an evolution of its iconic power plant, a supercharged 8.4-liter V10 engine. However, this unit is all new, featuring a cross-plane crankshaft for a more refined power delivery, dual overhead camshafts for improved breathing at high RPM, and a twin-screw supercharger with integrated liquid-to-air intercooling. Output figures are staggering, confirmed at over 900 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque. This represents not just an increase, but a transformation, granting the V10 a breadth of power and responsiveness its naturally aspirated ancestors could not match. This titanic force is channeled through an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, a first for the Viper. This gearbox offers lightning-fast millisecond shifts in its most aggressive mode, yet can operate with smooth, seamless efficiency in urban driving. Power is delivered to the rear wheels via an electronically controlled limited-slip differential. Crucially, Dodge has engineered a suite of next-generation electronic guardians, a 10-step traction control system, and a predictive stability management program that uses GPS and gyroscopic data to anticipate slip.
These systems allow experts to explore the car's limits with a safety net, a radical departure from the old binary, unforgiving nature of old Vipers. The chassis is a monocoque utilizing carbon fiber and high-strength aluminum, providing immense rigidity while minimizing weight. The suspension is a fully adjustable double wishbone setup featuring adaptive magneto-rheological dampers. Drivers can select from modes ranging from Tour for compliant road travel to Track Extreme, which lowers the ride height, firms all responses, and optimizes the aerodynamic profile. The braking system consists of massive carbon ceramic discs clamped by 10-piston front and 6-piston rear monoblock calipers, offering fade-free stopping power capable of repeatedly hauling the car down from hyperspeed entries. The synthesis of this powertrain and chassis delivers performance metrics that vault the Viper into hypercar territory. The claimed 0 to 60 miles per hour time is under 2.5 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 215 miles per hour. More impressively, its lap time capabilities, thanks to its active aero, sophisticated electronics, and immense mechanical grip, are designed to challenge the apex predators from Europe. The 2026 Viper GTS is no longer a one-dimensional straight-line brute. It is a holistic, circuit-capable weapon that leverages cutting-edge technology to harness and deploy its monumental power with precision and control previously unimaginable for the nameplate. Conclusion: the reforged icon. The 2026 Viper GTS stands as a triumphant and intelligently executed renaissance. It successfully performs a high-wire act, preserving the terrifying, soul-stirring essence of the Viper legend, the V10 roar, the dramatic proportions, the driver-first purity, while surgically integrating the modern technologies required to compete at the pinnacle of today's performance landscape. It has evolved from a raw, demanding beast into a sophisticated, precision instrument. It is an American supercar that no longer asks for forgiveness for its flaws, but instead demands respect for its comprehensive, hyper-engineered capabilities. This car sends a clear message. The era of the large displacement, emotionally charged internal combustion supercar is not over. It has simply leveled up. The Viper GTS is back, not as a relic, but as a contemporary king, ready to challenge the best in the world on any terms. It is a testament to the idea that progress does not require abandonment of soul, and that the most thrilling future sometimes involves perfecting a legendary past.